right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on this wheel, I'm not seeing any curb rash. Overall, it is in good condition. Tires are pretty low. A couple little surface scuffs. Just from everyday washing. That looks good. A couple small imperfections. You can see the mirror has little spots on it. That's from bugs impacting it and kind of etching into the clear coat. And you're gonna see that a little bit here as well, little scuff. You're gonna see some little scuffs here and there. Little spot there, little spot there, one here. The rest of that looks good. Quarter panel's clean. That looks nice. I don't see any curb rash. Headlights look amazing. Now you're gonna have some rock chips, little impacts, and then splatter from bugs that have etched into the clear. A couple larger rock chips. Just a few more here on the upper side. You can see here where bugs splattered on there and kind of etched into the paint. Since they're kind of acidic, you got some little scratches here. And then you're gonna see all of that on the front here as well. And we're really, really close. And so you're not gonna see that just kind of walking around. But of course you get close, and in the right lighting, you will. Little rock chip there. Overall, that wheel's in good condition. That looks good. Typical splatter here. A-pillar looks nice. You do have little scratches throughout around the handle, just from fingernails and things like that. Lower side looks good. A couple more scratches around that area. They're all very light. You do have a deeper scratch there and a chip. You do have rash right here. I took a little chunk out of it. It's the only damage I see. That quarter panel looks good. Tail light looks good. Do see some graze marks on that very edge. That tail light looks nice. Couple of chips here. Other than that, this thing is in really good condition. And then right here, I see two dings. See that? Other than that, this is really, really nice. And here in the trunk, carpets look amazing. Typical scuffs on the metal here. You do have the shade, and of course, it is power. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and it is really, really nice. There's not much to pick apart on here. A couple little scuffs there. Carpet looks good. That bolster's absolutely perfect. Same here. These seats are in amazing condition. You do have a couple little scuffs on the steering wheel, just from fingernail scratches, things like that. That looks good. Screen is amazing. All of that looks good. It's really, really nice in here. No complaints. Here on the front right door panel, it's in great condition. You do have some scuffs in this area. Carpet looks nice. That bolster's perfect. All of this is very clean. Leather's really soft. This side of the console looks good. Underside of the glove box is clean. All of that looks really nice. That door panel's in great condition. Seat back looks good. And these seats are perfect. Beautiful, beautiful stitching on there. Looking at the engine bay, nice and clean. Fully detailed. Looks really good. And the underhood liner is perfect. All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. Now the little flickering and the lights kind of flashing here, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Shifts nice and smooth. We are in sport mode here. Suspension feels good, steering wheel's nice and straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Hitting the brakes, they feel solid. That's just like 40% throttle. This definitely has a lot of get up and go. I'm gonna put it in comfort mode. Softens up the suspension there for sure. Drives really nice. No complaints.